Multifamily Mindset
Podcast. Think bigger.
Hey, what up, everybody? Welcome once again here to the Multifamily Mindset Podcast. I've titled today's episode Replacements, and I wanted to talk heavily on habits today because habits make or break us and our aspirations. The small things that make a huge difference. Oftentimes, the trajectory we want in life or in our business doesn't skyrocket to the right because, let's face it, we just haven't changed enough. We haven't changed enough yet. Habits are little things that create a tremendous difference in our business and in our lives. Growth in the real estate space or entrepreneurship or parenting and family, it requires focus. It requires thought. It requires time. And it also requires energy. When you binge on Netflix, when you don't fill your body and mind up with good nutrients to perform at an optimal level day to day, when you surround yourself with complainers and others who aren't go-getters, when you don't take care of your body, when you complain, when you overthink, and you blame others, then you're not helping your trajectory. Those types of habits are having a negative impact on so many things that aren't even necessarily obvious or what you would think they are attached to. Because again, how we do anything is how we do everything. Everything impacts everything. So if you want a major shift in the right direction, if you want to shoot that trajectory up and to the right on the graph of your life, stop overlooking the small things. Stop overlooking the small stuff. Your habits, they matter. And you have to be looking for replacements. Major shifts aren't free. Spiking that trajectory in your favor and in the favor of your aspirations, it comes at a cost. A question for everyone today is, what habits do you need to replace to ensure that major shift happens for you? What price do you need to pay? Weirdly enough, it's more of an investment than paying a price. Replacing bad habits for better ones is an investment that produces extremely high yield. Here are a few of these replacements to think about in no particular order. And again, this list could be a lot larger, but here's a starting point. Replace Netflix with sleep. Replace toxic friends with mentors. Replace TV with a walk outside. Replace complaining with gratitude or blaming with accountability. Replace energy drinks with cleaner supplements. A drink with cleaner ingredients, a green juice. Replace overthinking with action. Look, what does your list look like? What would you add to your list? What needs to be added to your list? This is an ongoing thing for me as part of my journey of growth in my life. As I grow and change, so does my process. I'm always looking to design my environment, my routine, and my day as a whole around the most important goals and priorities that I've defined for myself. As I grow my life and business, those things change from time to time. And as they do, I'm constantly auditing and looking for better replacements. So take action on this approach in your own life. That's the invite. Growth is strategic and it happens by design, not by luck. You're the creator of that. You're the architect of your day. And sometimes you're only a few replacements away from shooting that line on your life graph up and to the right. You're just a few replacements away. That's it. And you have to start somewhere. But once you've started, you have to continue to audit and build upon that. So the question again is, what do you need to replace? Don't just think about it. Decide and do, and come back to this type of process regularly on your journey. Have a great day, everybody, and we will see you guys back here on the podcast tomorrow.
Multifamily Mindset
Podcast. Think bigger.